Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about unboxing the Belkin TWS earphones or earbuds, you can call them or name it. They're really kind of spectacular, and for further ado, let us just get started. Here we have them, guys. This is the Belkin True Wireless. This on my right, it's a Belkin True Wireless earbuds. It's just stated that normal name. On this kind of left hand, we are having the Soundform Move Plus from Belkin. It's really kind of impressive to be having these kind of two bad boys today in the house, so as we can test them, both of them, and explore what's packed within these kind of bad boys. Now, for further ado, let us just get started on this video of today. Okay guys, here we have it. We're gonna just get started right now, just to unbox it. It's really kind of impressive thing, you know what I mean? So we're gonna remove this sticker here. Just want to see, nice packaging, nothing else on the box, as you can see, nothing else. So here we have it, nice and steady. I really like the way they kept it. And what's packed here now? Let us just see what's packed here. I thought that there's another glue, so let's see what's up in here, what's happening, what we get, what's happening. Okay, so we get a micro USB cable. This is a micro USB cable, which is rubber. I like this, it's not like plastic. Impressive. Another kind of stuff, we're having some extra buds. I can call them buds, buds. Impressive. Another one's here. Why did they kept it in two different kind of packaging? I wonder why could not just save the packaging. Okay, we're having the paperwork here, as you can see, guys, bunch of paperwork. So it shows you how you can use this kind of bad boy, as you can see there. Impressive. And I think it has two languages. This is a Chinese, but for demonstration on the paper, the way it seems, it's easy to config. Okay, on this kind of side, it shows you how you can use the touch mode. So it has like a touch. If you just do 2 times, it's like pause. If you press 3 times, it's like next, previous, 3 times, volume just one time. And I think it's really kind of impressive. 2 times to pick up the call, I think, and this one is to reject, and this one is to hold. Okay, nice, I like that. Impressive. Here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's really kind of impressive. This is Belkin. As you can see there, the lights are on. That means it's having like 3 bars left. It has 4 bars indicating, but for right now it shows you just it has only 3 bars. Okay, that's really great and amazing. Now let us just jump in and see what's happening, because I like the way they kept it. The ergonomic, it's impressive, to be honest. It's really awesome. As you can see, guys, this is really looking great. Not quite bad, impressive. What about the dock? The dock looks good, minimal, just like the way we unboxed the last Yesido earbuds. If you didn't check it out, you can click this card here, and it's really kind of impressive. Let us just test them, the music side. Okay guys, we're gonna get started with this kind of fast gen of Belkin earbuds TWS, and I think it's gonna be so much great thing to just test it out. So I'm gonna just keep them in my ears. As you can see how much they look, it's really impressive. I really like them. I don't know why I'm saying I really like them. It's great thing. They fit perfectly. Whoa, impressive. I'm impressed. The ergonomic, it's really impressive, guys, to be honest. Hands down, the ergonomic is really impressive. We're gonna rate it through Belkin standard. I'm not gonna rate like this is the most bigger bad boy, but let's see how much they pick. Whoa! To be honest, these kind of buds, they're impressive. They're really dope. The bass, it's standard. It's way more there, impressive, and I really kind of like them. They're really dope, to be honest. They're really cool. The Belkin Soundform buds, they're really impressive. My hand is down. I just don't know what to say. You know, right now on the TWS world, picking up a certain buds which you think it's gonna be much dope, it depends with the form factor and the way your ears right now they can fit in. Because right now, if you say we are categorizing which is the best and top notch, to be honest, I'll say will be striving a lot. But for these kind of bad boys, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed, Belkin. Throw it far away. Okay, here we have it. This is the Belkin Soundform Move Plus. Now I'm gonna just unbox this and see what's happening in here with the Move Plus. Nice and smooth. Whoa, I like the packaging. Seems like the first one we unboxed, it looks just the same. Just check it out. This looks like an egg. Impressive. Let us see what's packed in here. What's packed? I hope it's a type C. Cross my fingers. Okay, what do we have here? It's a normal micro USB cable. To be honest, it's a micro USB cable, as you can see, guys. Impressive. I think they just wanted to mash it up with a micro USB cable. I like the way they kept the form factor of USB. That the first one we unboxed, it had a white USB. This one have a black one, since it's a black earbud, or TWS you can call it. And what do we have here? Some extra buds, same as the first one which we unboxed. It's really impressive. And what do we have here? We have some paperwork here, Soundform Move Plus, so you can just use it. This one seems to be having like 2 paperworks. Impressive, not bad, but yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, this is something which is so impressive. I really kind of like it, since you know, it looks like an egg, and to be honest, it's an egg. But at the back here you can see that we are having a micro USB port. It's just somewhere there, which is really kind of great thing. And it's having a closure if in case it's jumping on the water or something, or water splash. As you can see, this one, the first one we unboxed, it does not have that, which I think it's kind of downside. But to be honest, on my kind of perspective, I think it's just a form factor. So let us just jump in here. What's happening? Whoa, impressive. They're looking great, as you can see. Nice. This looks like a Porodo gaming earbuds we did, the first gen. It's really impressive. It looks the same as, it's not the same, but it's closer to it. What about this one? It's just the same thing, closer to it. You can see the case here, impressive, not quite bad because it's easy to carry. Let us just test the music right now and see how much this kind of bad boy performs. Okay guys, right now we're testing the Belkin Soundform Move Plus. Is it capable? Will it beat the first gen, the Soundform Buds? Why am I calling it the first gen? It's a Soundform Buds. I was just thinking about that name. Will it beat the Move Plus, or the Move Plus, can it beat the Soundform Buds? Let's see. What's going on in here? One, two. What? Damn, I'm skeptical. I'm really skeptical, guys. I don't know which am I recommending it for you, from the Belkin TWS. I just don't know, because these ones, they sounds dope, but the form factor, it's a little bit not my thing. I prefer the Soundform Buds. What about the touch sensitivity? 1, 2. Impressive. Whoa. Right now we're gonna jump into specification and see what's popped up throughout this kind of Move Plus and the Soundform Buds. What's happening? Belkin Soundform True Wireless Earbuds. They're really impressive. They have an immersive crystal clear sound, 3 sizes of ear tips creating comfortable sealed fit, 1-step Bluetooth pairing and disconnecting if you want to, intuitive touch controls, which is remarkable, and it gives you up to 5 hours of non-stop play time, which I think it's really kind of impressive. And you get an IP rated sweat and splash resistant. In other hand, it's having a built-in microphone, which is really kind of impressive. On other hand, on the Soundform Move True Wireless Earbuds, they're really impressive. The quality of sound performance is really remarkable. It gives you up to 5 hours of playtime per charge, plus 19 hours in case, and seamless easy Bluetooth connection, which is really impressive. 3 sides of silicone ear tips for custom comfortable fit, a microphone and attached controls in each earbud, a compact convenience charging case which looks like an egg, an IPX rated for sweat and splash resistance, and it's really kind of impressive. You get a charge of 5 hours of playtime and a plus another 19 hours in the case, which I think it's really kind of remarkable throughout this kind of Move Plus. So we can see there's not quite difference between the Move Plus and the Buds, Soundform Buds, which it's just a minor kind of difference in terms of form factor, but they really kind of push it more throughout the Buds, which is the Soundform Buds, that it has more immersive crystal clear sound. But I can say they are all sound great. They are all having a perfect sound and they're all having a great and amazing quality sound. Okay guys, jumping out to the conclusion, is the Belkin Soundform Buds and the Belkin Move Plus, which is which? To be honest, out of these kind of two bad boys, they are all scoring 9 out of 10. Both of them, because they're really great. The only difference is the form factor. Depends on you how much you want your earbuds or buds, how ergonomic your ears they are. Because I got one person one day telling me that I've never got any kind of buds fitting in my ears. So you can see there's a little bit kind of challenging throughout ears, on the ears, as how human beings we are in our ear form factor. So I think if companies, they could just see that in two different kind of perspective and they know how much they can fit in throughout that kind of gap, it would be much awesome. But to be honest, hands down, throughout the Belkin earbuds, they're really impressive, they're really awesome. I really recommend both of them. You just tell me if you get them at the first glance. I'll be honest with you guys, you get them at the first glance, they will wow you up, you just get surprised. And their budget, these kind of bad boys, they're all costing around $60 going down, which it's really remarkable. So that's what's up guys. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing Belkin TWS earbuds. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Are really great, are really awesome or not? That's what's up. Thank you guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.